everyone. Of course, hola means hello in Portuguese. My name is Lucan.
And I'm Anna, and we are
ornithologists.
In other words, we specialize in the study of birds.
However, today we're not here to study birds. Today, we're here to hold auditions for the upcoming Samba Festival.
Oh, how very exciting. Say, how many of you here love to dance? Let me hear you.
Who loves to dance?
Now make some noise if you love to.
Samba! That's great, everyone. Okay, now to help us out, we would like to introduce two of our very special Samba-loving friends.
Oh, and you're going to love them. They are blue in color, exotically fierce, and they are in love. Do you know who they are?
That's right, it's Blue and Jewel. Now, we want you all to clap your hands twice and shout, Blue and Jewel. Are you all ready? On the count of 3. 1, 2, 3. Blue and Jewel. Blue and Jewel. Blue and Jewel. Blue and Jewel. Now, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, please get excited. Shake your tail flatters and make some noise for Blue and Jewel.
I do. Hello, everyone.
Glad you can make it to help in the audition.
We hear you've been planning something special.
I have?
Are you ready?
For what? Okay. Confidence. Crazy lady.
Whoa, hey, what are you doing? I wasn't talking about kissing. I was talking about the song we've been rehearsing for the festival.
Oh yeah, our song. That's where I was going with that thing that I just did. It was a good dance move. Did it?
I know when you're alone, you feel it too. That's where I want to be. Just being with you makes me sad. Party is real. Oh, listen to me, darling. I wake up every morning thinking about the way you feel. Oh, I wonder if you know me. And what good is a party if you're not around? Listen to me now. What good is love if it's not your love? What good is love if it's not your love? Our surprise guests have finally arrived. Are you ready? Here's our questions. The wildest, coolest talent in the jungle. Give me the beat to the street and put the swagger in samba. Get excited, get ready for those stylish songbirds. It's Nico and Pedro.
This is a crazy party. So party with everybody. Move your body, take it to the ground. Break it down, Blue.
What's a song if you can't hear it too? Can't imagine dancing without you. A shooting star ain't really nothing to see.
If you're not ready, dancing next to me. Oh, listen to me, darling. I wake up every morning thinking about the way you feel. Oh, I wonder if you know me. And what good is a party if you're not around? Listen to me now. What good is love if it's not your love? What good is love if it's not your love? Wow, that was incredible, you guys. They loved it. Come on, everyone. Let them hear you.
And that definitely felt right. We threw down.
You were like fire and ice.
Thunder and lightning. Hip and hop. Cheese and sprinkles.
What?
It's an American thing.
Come on, my handsome lover. Practice makes perfect. Bye, Jewel. Bye, Blue. See you in a few.
Nico, Pedro, where have you boys been? You're both late.
Lightning.
But musicians early.
We are ready to party.
To samba, so they say.
Well, don't you think that I could be good
They certainly look very talented, don't they? Never just bird by feet. Only way to tell is to dance it out. We are looking for a singer, a dancer, the whole package. Well, let's get moving. First, we need something that can make them wiggle, something that'll make them jiggle, and finally, something that really pops.
Oh, I know just the dance I can teach them!
All right, time to get our groove on.
Now, to make this sound fantastic, we need everyone to participate in this next dance. Who would like to join us?
Is this a celebration? I've been cooking on this little party. Step aside. I heard an audition was taking place. Hi, Nigel. No. Yes. The invitation must have gotten lost in the mail. But now that you are here, show us what you got. Yeah. Stop that yapping. Get to flat. Time for perfection to show you how it's done. At first, I was afraid. I was petrified. I kept thinking I could never live. I could barely fly. And I spent, so many nights thinking how he did me wrong, and I grew strong. And I learned how to get along. Go on now, dog. Walk out the door. So turn around now. It is I who got the floor. Weren't you the one who tried to hurt me with goodbye? Did you think I'd crumble? Oh no! Did you think I'd lay down and die?
Oh, no.
I will survive as long as I know how to hate time. No, I'll stay alive. I got all my life to live.
And he's got all his love to give.
And I will survive.
You will survive.
I will survive.
You will survive.
In the day and eating my fiber, you were staying alive. Well, I was staying alive. Watch where you sit when I spit my sunlight. I was like, boom. You never seen a doctor too. Rocking and shocking and dropping and popping and locking too. Watch what I can do without no auto-tune. If you try to keep me down, I'll just come back strong. If you try to cut me short, I'll just come back long. If you beat me at ping pong, I'll just play ping pong. Give me my throat, I am ready to thrive. One thing I know, I will survive. I will survive. Yes, thank you. My performance was so striking, so suave, and so burning. Why did I not get an invitation to your little soiree? An oversight, I presume. What's the matter? Swallow a feather?
Nigel, no one here was trying to leave you out. Look, everybody loves you. You're a star.
Let's hear it for Nigel!
What was that awful singing? It sounded like a cockatoo being squashed by an elephant.
No, honey. You meant to say we found just the talent we were looking for. Right?
Oh, yes, Blue. Just the star we were looking for.
Exactly. In fact, we're just about to show Nigel the dance we learned earlier.
Hello, Joe Maracas. How do I fit into this little routine?
Oh, we hear you're quite the maracas player. Maybe you could help.
Oh, not to help. That question. I do have the best rhythm in the jungle. Really, you couldn't do it without me.
My thoughts exactly. Ready, Nigel?
Born ready. Lights. Camera. Action.
Get up! What's up? Don't body. What's up? Don't body. Where my birds It's the emerald we treasure, coming from the jungle to blue.
Beating like it's heartbeat, playing rhythms with gratitude.
It's the emerald we treasure.
Coming from the place where we live.
It's where we live. Nice hat.
I know.
That's it. You know what? I can honor you on more than qualified to dance at the festival. Sensational. Now, let's celebrate.
Come on, everybody. Together, no matter where we may go.
Festival, here we come.
This is awesome. You're my one and only jewel. Congratulations on making the cut. You rock.
Please give us a big round of applause. We should really take their car, email, Twitter, put those dates. But first, we want to meet all of you.
Yes, let's take some pictures with our new summer festival friends.
But I'm vile and villainous, vicious and malicious. Who would want to take a picture with me?
All right, friends. Don't go anywhere.
Thanks so much for joining us here at the Sounds of Rio. Now in preparation for photo opportunity, please